This video will be your guide on how to set up reputation management on GoHighLevel. To set, to set up your reputation management on GoHighLevel is first you should log into your GoHighLevel account and choose the sub account you want to work with, then log in. On the left sidebar, you can see a reputation here, which highlights here in the screen. Then go on to listings. You go to reputation, then listings. In the left, in the listings, you can see the manage listing. Here you can manage now your account, whether Google My Business, Alexa, Apple, Bing, or Facebook, or many more. Now you're all set. You go back to overview, then go to request, send review request. Then that's it. Under a minute, you've set up your reputation management to boost your online presence. And don't forget to monitor your reviews and respond regularly to have daily updates.